Hello guys, in this video, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano magbayad ng ating water bill using GCash. So, to start ay from your GCash homepage, punta tayo dito sa bills. Ayan, click natin yan. And then here, from categories, so makikita natin dyan yung iba't ibang billers, may electric, water, cable, internet, loans. So since ang babayaran natin ngayon is water bill, so dito tayo sa water utilities. Yan. So yan, so piliin lang natin yung ating biller. So since ang babayaran natin is Gensan Water District. So hanapin natin dito yung Gensan. So yung sa inyo, yung water district nyo, hanapin nyo rin kung ano yung pangalan ng inyong water district. So yung babayaran ko ngayon is Gensan City Water District. So this one. So yan, click lang natin yan. And then just put the amount, account number, account name, and then your email address para dyan sila magsisend ng resibo sa email address natin. And then proceed next. So review lang natin yung details and then click next sa taas and then confirm. So, ayan na guys yung resibo natin. Take screenshot or save it to your gallery for our future reference. So, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye!